Hey guys, welcome to my second annual 12 Days of Christmas. I am so excited. This season's been amazing and crazy busy, but I am honestly obsessed with every single one of my 12 Days of Christmas cups. I had a couple in there that just did not work out. I had to redo some at the last minute, but I am so excited. So you guys, this year, I kind of tried to tie in my cups with our Advent box. If you guys haven't seen, we do an Advent box every year with 12 Days of Christmas as well. So you'll kind of see that sprinkled in my videos here. So the first day are my stocking cups. So these are just the cutest little stocking inspired cups. I figured, you know, a lot of stockings, you have a cute design, you have the names, and why not take that concept into a cup? So you could either make these, put them in a stocking, you could do these instead of a stocking, you could do bigger ones, fill them with candy. I was so excited about this idea, and this was actually the only idea I had when I first was thinking about my 12 Days of Christmas cups. All the other ideas came later. This was the only one that I was like, this is it, this is what I have to do, because I found these cups at, I believe it was a grocery store, and I was like, those are too cute. I need both of them. I need to do a set. So this one I did for my daughter Valen. She's 4 and she's obsessed with this cup. She can't wait to use it. I told her she has to wait though until I'm done filming, then she gets to use it. This one I did Tilly for my little dog. We have a little Chihuahua. Yeah, because I don't have 2 little girls. So, but you could definitely do this with boys. You could do different colors. This idea I just thought was so cute and I was so excited about it. I did also use the glitter that came in our Advent box today. It's day 1 of the Advent box. So this glitter is Sugar Plum Dance. So that's this one right here, this gorgeous like pink iridescent. There's definitely some purpley tones in there. So gorgeous. So day 1 of the Advents, you either got this one or Hot Cocoa, which is a gorgeous kind of deep gold brown bronze with some iridescent and holographic in there. So these were the 2 things for the Advent box. They are both available on the site as well. I will link everything down below. Everything in all my videos that has a link, I will link down below, whether it's a SVG file from Etsy or glitter or cups or whatever I could find. I will try to look up these cups. I don't know the brand, but I'll try to look them up and link them below if I can find them. I'm pretty sure I can because I've seen this brand everywhere. But you guys, I am so excited about this 12 Days of Christmas. So now let's get into the tutorial and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Okay, starting off with my 2 cups. These were from Ross for only $5.99 each. That is such a good deal for this brand. Normally they're like $16 to $20, I feel like, for this size. So just taking off the packaging and the lid. Then of course prepping with mattify. Then once those were prepped, I am going to paint them using some ColorFix paints. I'm taking pink petal and blush to kind of mix them together for my color. I just wanted it in between these 2 colors. Then using one of our large brushes to paint this on, just a nice thick smooth layer. I love the ColorFix paints. They just cover so nice and smooth. We have 15 new colors coming pretty quickly. Then after 2 coats of that, I'm doing my first layer of epoxy. This is the Artistry 1-to-1 Fast Set. It's what I use every day. It's my favorite. And just doing a nice even coat of that. Then I got this little sweater kind of print from Etsy. I will link it down below. I did not know that Silhouette had the conical warp tool thing, whatever this is. I didn't know how to do this, and Josh was like, oh yeah, you just do the warp thing in Silhouette. So I was amazed, and you just go in and type in your measurements. I did have to do this a couple of times because I didn't measure right or something, but you get the gist. I chose this lighter pink vinyl to do this in, just so it's a little bit contrasted from the other pink, but it's not like white and pink. It's just a nice light pink. Then I cut it out in Shape Tape as well. My idea was kind of to do some of the lines in glitter. This idea did not work out because these lines are so thin. They just did not want to hold their shape. So I ended up just doing a couple parts of the Shape Tape, but you'll see that in a minute. I also tried the transfer tape and it did not want to work for this vinyl for some reason. So I'm using packing tape. And just peeling that off. Then just lining it up in the middle and placing that on. And just very carefully smoothing it out and wrapping it around. Then peeling that off. And I left room on either side so that I could do the name on the back. You could totally just do a full wrap on this if you wanted to, but I just thought it would be cute to have names just like stockings have names. Then going on with another layer of epoxy. So once that was dry, I'm using some glitter. This is Wish and Glaze, both in small. So I mixed those to kind of match the color. So then I'm taking the Shape Tape pieces, just the little hearts, and putting those on there and then peeling off the top layer and adding just a couple little spots of glitter where the little hearts are. Like I said, my plan was to do the kind of zigzag lines as well, but it just did not work out. The lines were just too small and it just was not working. So I thought this cute little pops of glitter would be cute. Then taking Sugar Plum Dance, this is a new Christmas glitter, and just adding it with the glitter that I mixed already. So pretty. Then taking some glitter glue on the bottom of each cup. just so we can glitter the butt of the cup, as people like to say. And I'm not going fully around to the edges, just kind of keeping in that little like line there that you see. Then adding the glitter. Then after that was dry, I cut out my vinyl. I did a rose gold and this really pretty like pearly pink. So then using my transfer tape to stack these vinyls and get them on my cup. I think the pink vinyl and the pink glitter on the bottom really tie it in with the color of the lid, because the paint color is a little more of a dusty shade, but I think the other pops of lighter pink just really ties it together, and I love how these turned out. So I did 2 more layers of epoxy and these were done, taking off the turner, and I'm obsessed with how cute these are. I think next year I will do these for all 4 of my kids and make this a tradition for us for Christmas. That's it for this video. Make sure you guys come back for day 2 tomorrow. Bye guys.